This is the Plantronics Voyager 3200 UC Bluetooth headset system. Inside this box, you'll find the charge case with the headset. With the charge case, it allows you to have an additional 10 hours of battery life when fully charged. Touch on the icon here to see how much charge this charge case has. It takes about 90 minutes to charge this charge case. And here is the micro USB port where you can charge using your USB charging port on your PC. It has an optional adapter over here where it is prepared with your headset, so you can use it on your PC. Let's see what else is in the box. It comes with a USB cable for you to charge your headset or even your charge case. Additional pair of earbuds as well as a loop. Comes with a quick start guide and some documentation for regulatory and compliance. So for first time use, you may want to fully charge the headset. Here is the micro USB port where you can use the USB cable that comes with the inbox to charge. It takes about 90 minutes to fully charge. And if you want to charge it in the charge case, just place it in this way. Let's remove the plastic. So you can see there's a connector over here. Just need to put it in and you'll be charging the headset using the charge case. And to know the battery level for the headset, you just need to touch on the icon over here. So now it has been fully charged. It takes about 2 hours to charge both the charge case with the headset in it. In order to pair, you need to turn on the headset. This is the power switch. Turn it on. Press and hold the call button until the LED changes color. You will see that the LED indicator is blinking red and blue. It is now in pairing mode. Let us now go to our phone. From your phone, swipe down until you see Settings. Select Bluetooth. It has found our Plantronics V32 Bluetooth headset. Tap on it. Your phone is now connected to the Bluetooth headset. Besides pairing with your phone, you can also use this headset with your PC. You just need to use the adapter that comes with your charge case. This is a USB dongle that has come prepared with your headset. So let's go through this headset and its functions. So over here you have the call button. Over here you have the charging port where you can charge the headset, and this is the volume button for volume up and volume down, and this is the mute button. So this is a fairly simple Bluetooth headset from Plantronics. When the headset is charging, you will notice that the blue LED will be blinking. We would recommend that you charge the headset or even the charge case using the USB port of your computer. If you are using an external source to charge, such as a power bank, do ensure that you connect it to the 1 ampere USB port. Do not use a fast charger to charge the headset or even the charge case, because those typically comes in excess of 2 amperes, and that may damage your headset or the charge case.